Because I'm wait for it to start. Good. Because I'm wearing a hat, it'll make it difficult for you to see my face. Because I'm wearing a hat, it will make it difficult for you to see my face.
Parce que je porte une casque, ça rendra difficile de voir mon visage.
Good. Casquette.
Casquette.
As opposed to helmet. Yep.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay. London's dangerous. It isn't quite that dangerous yet.
Okay.
Lovely. So because I'm wearing a cap, it will make it difficult to see my face.
Parce que je porte une casquette, ça le rendra difficile de voir mon visage.
Good. All the way through. Close your mouth. Be less interested. Ouais, parce que je porte une casquette, ça le rendra difficile de voir mon visage.
Parce que je porte une casquette, ça le rendra plus difficile de voir mon visage.
Good. I'm going to switch it round so that you've got to listen rather than just lip read. That's mainly to make it a bit of a challenge to you. We're not in the most particularly stunning area, but it's just like, it's just, well, actually, no, it's all right.
It's really pretty.
Well, I'm glad you like it, but it's more to just give you a little bit of sneaky, no lip reading challenge. Good. Lovely. Which let's acknowledge is mean. Okay, off you go. We'll go this way. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, we did something similar a couple of weeks ago.
Si je me trompe pas, j'ai fait quelque chose de similaire.
A few weeks ago.
Il y a quelques semaines.
Good. Put it together. Si je me trompe pas, on a fait quelque chose de similaire what did we say a few weeks ago? Il y a 3 semaines. Si je me trompe pas, on a fait quelque chose de similaire il y a quelques semaines, il y a 3 semaines, whatever.
Ok. Si je me trompe pas, on a fait quelque chose de similaire il y a quelques semaines.
Good. Okay. Lovely. In a minute, we're going to start an exercise that I know you're going to like.
Dans un moment, on va commencer je pense que je sais, tu vas...
Go again, try it again, smooth it out. In a minute, we're going to do an exercise that I think you'll like.
Dans un moment, on va faire un exercice que je suis sûre que tu vas aimer.
Good. So it's exercice. So, dans un moment, on va faire un exercice qui risque de te plaire. Copy me, qui risque de te plaire.
Okay, qui risque de te plaire.
Good. Keep your mouth in exactly the same position it was in. It was exactly the right position, but blow more through your chest. Qui risque de te plaire.
Qui risque de te plaire.
That's nice. So that we don't fall over, so that we don't trip, pour qu'on ne trébuche pas, we need a bit of air coming from underneath. Il nous faut un peu d'air d'en dessous. Lovely. So this thing is basically you do a translation for me, then I say something, and you just have to copy me. Don't care what it means. We're just playing with the copying, all right?
Okay.
Good. It's just so that you're learning French as much as using the French that you've got better and better. Okay. Good. In summer, this is one of my favorite roads because I like the combination of colors. In summer, this is one of my favorite roads because I like the combination of colors. Off you go.
Dans l'été, c'est une rue mon préférée parce que j'aime les combinaisons des couleurs.
So go again. It's one of my favorite roads.
Okay. Dans l'été, c'est une de mes rues préférées parce que j'aime...
Pause. So when we say one of, we've ostensibly got a gender choice, haven't we? Une de mes. Yeah, because it's a feminine road. Yeah, so une de mes.
Une de mes.
Good. Says me one of my favorite roads.
Une de mes rues préférées.
Lovely, because I love the combination of colours.
Parce que j'aime les combinaisons des couleurs.
False friends, combinaison.
Combinaison, oui.
Good. Close your mouth, Nina, close your mouth. J'aime bien la combinaison des couleurs. Close your mouth.
J'aime bien la combinaison de couleurs.
Good. For example, I love the yellow and the purple.
Par exemple, j'adore le jaune et le violet.
Le jaune et le violet. J'adore le jaune et le violet. Okay.
Oui.
Lovely. Okay. Érable is maple. Érable. Okay.
Ah oui.
So basically, like Japanese maple, like les érables japonais. Okay. Good. Okay. This color is so intense, it's almost fake. This color is so intense, it's almost fake.
Cette couleur cette couleur est si intense qu'elle est presque faux.
Good. So I like the L because it was a feminine word for color. So good choice of it, Nina. Very good choice of it. Okay, lovely. If it was like, oh, what they've done on the wall there, that effect what they've done on the wall, it's almost fake, as in referring to a verbal action. That would be say, yeah, because it would be, oh please, reward, no question asked. DJI drone and DJI camera. Oh please.
Oh,
As if, please, as if someone's going to bring it back. Good. Off you go. So for me, unfortunately, so now you copy me. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier.
et dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier.
Good. Close your mouth. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier.
Dis donc, on va avoir du mal à ce quartier.
Almost. You were correct the first time. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier. But what I like is that you're just copying, you're not thinking what it means, which is exactly what to do.
Okay.
Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier.
Dis donc, on va avoir du...
So things to do when listening at high speed is focus on the rhythm and focus on what the up and down of the vowel is doing. Don't give a rat's ass about the words. They'll just take care of themselves.
Okay.
Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier. Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier.
Dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier.
Make it as easy as you can in the mouth. Ouais, dis donc, il va avoir du mal dans ce quartier. Make it easier.
Okay. Et dis donc, il va avoir du mal à ce quartier.
Good. So, dis donc means, like, so goodness me, yeah. Il va avoir du mal, translation.
He is going to have difficulty
Yeah, that's it, lovely. Du mal dans ce quartier.
in this neighborhood.
That's it. He's going to have difficulty in this neighborhood. As in, I don't think they're going to give it back.
Okay.
Oh God, look at the penis.
Uh,
That's the thing. Regarde-moi les peonies. Okay, good. Okay, good one for you. That's why I love to go for a walk in this area, so I can see this kind of thing. That's why I like to go for a walk in this area, so I can see this kind of thing.
C'est pour ça que j'aime faire une promenade dans ce quartier pour voir ce genre de choses.
Don't lose the feeling of being in France opposite a French speaker.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go into, I love this language and I'm enjoying my language workshop with my teacher. Do you know what I mean? Keep it socially appropriate and social. Does that make sense? Yeah.
Okay.
So say the same thing again. Say the same thing again, but imagine tonally we were opposite somebody. Off you go. Sorry.
C'est pour ça que j'aime bien faire une promenade dans ce quartier. Parce que j'adore voir ce genre de choses.
Lovely. Good. C'est pour ça que j'aime bien me promener dans ce quartier pour pouvoir voir ce genre de choses. Whatever comes up, good. My go. Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici. Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici. Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici.
Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitent près d'ici.
Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici.
Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitent tout près d'ici.
Good. What, make it stop in the mouth. Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici.
Les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici.
Enjoy and welcome the fact that your musical note will go up and down. Give me more scoops. Ouais, les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici.
Et les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici.
Good. If you do Scooby, Nina, and you've got consonants going on, it feels really stupid. If you do Scooby and your mouth is really relaxed, it feels, oh, thank God, I've got something to speak on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, pardon me. This will just be to get to the traffic. You watch. This will just be to get past the C11. As soon as they've got past that, I bet you they'll turn it off. They just don't like waiting.
Oh,
Because it wasn't on up until the traffic, was it? So it's clearly not an emergency. Okay, good. Okay. Lovely. So, les grands-parents de ma meilleure amie habitaient tout près d'ici, translation?
the grandparents of my best friend live quite near here.
Yeah, lived, that's it. Lovely. Okay.
I live, yeah.
Lovely. Une fois, on m'a proposé un travail ici. Une fois, on m'a proposé un travail ici.
Une fois, elle m'a proposé travailler ici.
Lovely. Une fois, on m'a proposé. So you're aiming for the upsies and the downsies in the voice. Une fois, which is why no mouth, because you can see them a little bit more then. So, une fois, on m'a proposé un travail ici. We were just opposite school, but I can't be bothered to work down. So, une fois, on m'a proposé un travail ici.
Une fois, on m'a proposé de travailler ici.
Almost. Une fois, on m'a proposé un travail ici.
Une fois, on m'a proposé un travail ici.
Good. So are you almost half having to guess what the quick words would be?
Yeah.
That's yeah, good. There's only so many it can be. You know, un, deux, a, le. Well
yeah.
done, Nina. Well done. Yeah. Okay. Good. The palm tree needs trimming. The palm tree needs trimming. It's a bit of a mess. Yeah. The palm tree or the palm needs trimming.
Le palmier a besoin,
Yes.
a besoin de tailler.
It's not trimming anything else.
OK. Le palmier a besoin d'une taille? Non, d'une taille?
Yeah, yeah. On va devoir tailler le palmier. Yeah, on va devoir. Yeah, yeah. Take me. On va devoir tailler le palmier. Go.
On va devoir tailler le palmier.
Before it's too late.
Avant qu'il est trop tard.
Avant que takes what, Nina, my love?
Avant. Ah oui, avant qu'il n'est pas. Non.
What's the verb to be in the subjunctive, Nina?
Soit.
That's it. Before it's too late.
Avant qu'il ne soit trop tard.
Lovely. Avant qu'il soit trop tard. Lovely. Good.
Avant qu'il soit trop tard. Oui.
The combination, I'm giving you this one on purpose. The combination of tulips and irises, same word. The combination of tulips and irises is a bit of a clash. The combination of tulips and irises is a bit of a clash.
La combinaison des tulipes et
D'iris.
d'iris.
Because it's of irises. D'iris, lovely. Okay.
Okay.
It's a bit of a clash.
La combinaison de tulipes et d'iris sont un peu éclatées.
Yeah, and put clash. We can say clash. Yeah, like, you know, for colour and styling now, and put clash. Lovely. Okay, and put vif, like a bit bright. Okay. Good. The traffic jam is due to the roadworks. The traffic jam is, I know this is vocab, the traffic jam is due to the roadworks.
L'embouteillage à cause du, what was it, a cause of what?
The roadworks.
Oh,
the roadworks.
OK. L'embouteillage est à cause du travaux? No, du travaux.
Travaux is plural, so therefore what's got to go before it?
Des travaux.
Lovely. L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux. L'embouteillage. So that was nice, Nina. So if you feel that you're giving me maximum Scooby, if it feels a bit big and too much, it's probably because the mouth is big and too much. So
Okay.
to allow yourself the opportunity to give me the maximum Scooby-Doo, close your mouth a bit. Ouais, l'embouteillage est à cause des travaux. L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux.
L'embouteillage est au
So the mouth is too. So the mouth is either too open or the breathing is not coming through in one go.
Okay.
L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux. L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux.
L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux.
Good. Make it even more casual. Oh, punaise. Like, oh God, the traffic jam's because of the roadworks. L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux.
L'embouteillage est à cause des travaux.
L'embouteillage.
L'embouteillage. L'embouteillage.
Lovely. Now make it easier. L'embouteillage.
L'embouteillage.
Lovely. Okay. Good. Okay. You can never see bluebells on camera. They never come out well on camera. But les jacinthes des bois, hyacinths of the woods, jacinthes des bois. You could normally smell them, but all I can smell now is the weed from the people you possibly saw in the corner of the video. Never mind. Off you go. Putain, ça pue le bœuf. Putain, ça pue le bœuf.
Putain, ça pue le bœuf.
Okay, so basically, it stinks of weed. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Notice
what
with
did you
pue, you don't. What did you say, Nina?
What was the word for weed?
There are many words like shit, but basically, it's the slang for it. So l'herbe means
Right.
weed. Yeah, and that in Vowlon would not burr, which would be better, but buh. Okay.
Oh, okay.
But shit is more common. Tu fumes du shit? Yeah, that's much more common. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Luke, I need. It's important that I know this word so that I can buy some in Besançon. Luke, it's important that I know this word so that I can buy some in Besançon.
Luc, c'est important que je sais le mot pour m'en acheter à Besançon.
Go again, make it smooth.
Luc, c'est important que je sais le mot pour m'en acheter à Besançon.
Getting even better. C'est important would have what after it?
De.
If we were going into a verb.
Oui, c'est important que je sais le mot.
What form of c'est important or il est important? Regardless, both take what after?
Oh, they take subjunctive?
That because they're neutral expressions, aren't they? It's important that or it is. So
right,
a lot of the time, our focus, Nina, is pretty much: is it il est or is it say? And when you've got the il est versus the say, people forget. Well, actually, whatever it is, it's going to be subjunctive after both of those.
Right.
Yeah,
okay.
because it's a neutral expression, and I more than get why people lose that. So, say for me, it's important that I know this word.
C'est important que je sache le mot pour m'en acheter en Besançon. À Besançon.
So you could have used savoir, you could use connaître because they both work in that context. However, il est important pour moi, il est important de savoir ce mot would have been a nice avoidance.
Okay.
You see what I mean? So il est important de savoir pour moi. So both would work though. Oui, c'est important que je sache. Or, il est important pour moi de savoir ce mot. Lovely. So that I can buy some pour que je puisse m'en acheter à Besançon. Whatever. Okay. Good. Lovely. Copy me. Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie. Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé un ami.
Only one word out, Nina. Very nice. Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé un vrai ami.
Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
OK. Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
Lovely. Translation?
By chance, last week, I ran into an old friend.
Good. Close your mouth. Go even faster. Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie. Have a feeling, have a humanity, blow through. Oh, I saw Val. Marvelous, I saw Val. Close your mouth. Oui, par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie. Close your mouth. Go.
Par hasard,
Nina, close your mouth and blow through on the chest. You've got to have a chest. You've got to have something going on in the sternum. Par hasard, la semaine, yeah. And you've got this sexy husky voice going on in your English, so you like to have the sound come out a little bit higher up. Drop it onto the chest, push through. Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
Par hasard, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
So if you feel you're having to move really quickly with your mouth, you're doing too much. Do less and less and less and less with the mouth and breathe through. Oh, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie. Just say, oh, last week I bumped into a friend. Oh, la semaine dernière, j'ai croisé une vieille amie. Do this to me, go, oh.
Oh.
That's it. That's the place you're pushing from. Go, oh, j'ai croisé une vieille amie. Push from there.
Oh, j'ai croisé une vieille amie.
There you go. Smaller mouth. Good. We're now on my road. What kind of horror we will see, goodness only knows. Um, it's like it's just that weird part of London where you have like the hood versus the genteel. So you're like, oh, camellias, oh, druggies on the corner, marvelous. Okay, lovely, 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 excellent. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, lovely. Over to you. Because we've had suspicious people in the live class, I won't show you my house, although I know you know which one it is. So because we've had suspicious people in the live class, I won't show you my house.
Parce qu'on avait eu les personnes.
Why have you? Why have you?
Because
we've had.
Ah oui, ok. Parce qu'on a eu les personnes soupçonnées, je vais pas te voir ma maison.
Good. So because we've had parce qu'on a eu, lovely. Okay. Les gens louches ou les personnes suspicieuses. Or des personnes, because it's not really the people, so des personnes suspicieuses ou des personnes louches.
Okay.
I'm not going to show you my house. I'm not going to show you my house. Je ne vais pas.
Je ne vais pas te montrer ma maison.
Good. Okay. Okay. Because I don't trust them, they could do something stupid. 99.9% gorgeous, 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 one idiot. So I don't trust them, they could do something stupid. I don't trust them, they could do something stupid. I don't trust them, they could do something stupid. Sorry, me and Rose is not a good thing. Thank you. I don't trust them because they could do something stupid.
Je me méfie d'eux parce que...
Pause. Now, I like that. Je me méfie d'eux. Oh, good. Now, can you use something involving confi? We tend to say je suis un peu méfiant. Je suis un peu méfiant. So could you now go back to the other things involving CONF? There's two versions, both of which would be correct. Good. But what you did, Nina, was great. What you did was great.
Okay.
I don't trust them. I don't trust them. They could do something stupid.
Je leur fais pas confiance.
Good.
Ah oui. Il pourrait quelque chose de stupide.
Good. Attach it to your soul. Je leur fais pas confiance. Ils pourraient faire quelque chose de bête. Ils pourraient faire quelque chose de stupide. Je leur fais pas confiance. So once you've worked it out and your oral work is beautiful, attach it to your soul. Think that thought and say, oh God, Nina. You know, they could do something stupid. Oui, ils pourraient faire quelque chose de stupide. You know, whatever. I don't trust them. Oui, je leur fais pas confiance. Ils pourraient faire quelque chose de stupide. Have a go.
Ok. Je leur fais pas confiance. Ils pourraient faire quelque chose de stupide.
Good. Pull it down into the chest. Pull it up into your nose.
Okay.
Pull it down into your chest. Pull it up into your nose. Yeah, pull it down into your chest and up into your nose at the same time. Oui, je leur fais pas confiance. Ils pourraient faire quelque chose de stupide. Good. I hope it's still open, but there's a little sneaky park here. I saw on a sign earlier that it was called a pocket park. It's really cute. It's like hidden between the houses. So say for me, par exemple, mon amie qui habite dans le quartier, elle ignorait totalement que ça. Hang on. What did I want to do with you? Mon amie qui habite tout près, elle ne savait surtout pas que ça existait. Mon amie qui habite tout près, elle ne savait surtout pas que ça existait. Mon amie qui habite tout près, elle ne savait surtout pas que ça existait. Mon amie qui habite tout près, elle ne savait surtout pas que ça existait.
Mon ami qui habite tout près, il savait pas du tout, il savait, elle savait
mon
pas.
Amie qui habite tout près, elle ne savait surtout pas que ça existait. Mon amie qui habite tout près, elle ne savait surtout pas que ça existait.
Elle ne savait pas surtout qu'il existait.
Mon ami qui... I'm not going to slow it down, Nina. We know it's hard. Don't say it's closed. It's gorgeous. Oh, no. Mon ami qui habite... It's just between two houses. Little sneaky. Okay, so mon ami... I feel really rude then. I don't know if you caught it on camera, but one of my mates wanted to say hi. And I was like, no, I'm working. I don't know if you saw that. He's a really nice guy. He went to wave, and I was like, I went, no, I'm filming. But they all know that what I do. So yeah. So mon ami qui habite tout près ne savait surtout pas que ça existait. Mon ami qui habite tout près ne savait surtout pas que ça existait.
Mon ami qui habite tout près ne savait ne savez
Ne savez surtout pas
qu'il existe.
que ça
Okay.
existait, que ça existait.
Ça existait.
Lovely,
Okay.
lovely. Okay. I mean, yeah, you could use it exists for a park, but it's just good. Yeah, it's cute. It's just between all the houses. It's like all the houses around have access to it. It's just our little dumb park. It's not part of like London or the Crown Estate or anything. There's not like one of the royal parks. It's just run by locals. It's just everybody comes and digs. Everybody comes and does stuff. I won't go over there because there's kids, but there's like a little pirate ship. Yeah, like for kids to play on. It's really, really cool. And there's like a pond and all of this stuff. So a lot of the time, Nina, when you've done lessons, they've been here.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly. So for me, you've accompanied me here many times without knowing it. You've accompanied me here many times without knowing it.
Tu as m'accompagné.
Word order.
Tu m'as accompagné. Is that right? Oui. Tu m'as accompagné ici sans insu.
Almost. You give me a lovely hybrid. Tu m'as accompagné. Now, all that happened there was your muscle memory was like, oh, m'accompagner.
Yeah.
Which is fine for somewhere else. Yeah, tu m'as accompagné plusieurs fois. I've attendu, or sans savoir, without knowing, sans savoir. If it were a different person, sans que tu saches. Sans que tu... Lovely. I'm looking forward to the end of May when the roses bloom. I'm looking forward to the end of May when the roses bloom.
J'attends avec impatience.
You've got to tell. Your tell that it's something a bit difficult is a cough. We've got to get rid of this tell. You know what I mean, Nina? We need a poker face, my darling. We need a poker face. We really do.
Yeah.
It's too big of a tell. It's far too big of a tell. Okay. Sig's tell is she looks. I shouldn't say this because if she watches this, she'll know that I know. Sig's tell is that she looks to the ceiling. Yeah. So for me, I'm like, oh yeah. But to be fair, it's never at me. She'd never lie to me. But like, you know, whatever. Yeah. So off you go. Yeah. So go again. So I'm looking forward to. I think if I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong. Your issue is choosing between avoir hâte de and attendre avec impatience. Is that correct?
Yes, because I'm trying to figure out if the end of summer is a
noun. Therefore, yeah. So j'attends la fin. I'm waiting for the end of May. So j'attends la fin. J'attends. You know. Yeah. And we'll often. You could say la fin de May or j'attends la fin May or fin May. Just fin May. You'll often just shorten it. Okay.
And I was so worried about that I lost it. I'm looking forward to the end of May when something's blossoming.
When the roses will bloom. Yeah.
Oh, when the roses will bloom. Okay. J'attends.
To be fair, Nina, pardon me, I originally gave you when the roses bloom. Okay. But to be fair, what I was interested in is whether you'd remember the cant on the future. But to be honest with you, if I said when the roses bloom, it could mean every year when the roses bloom, in which case that would be the present tense. So to be honest with you, when the roses bloom, let's just do it in the present tense. Yeah. So say for me, when the roses bloom, quand les
roses bourgeonnent.
Bourgeonne, good vocab. Bourgeonne is to bud up, and fleurir, so fleurisse is the look at that. That's badass. A bit of a dragon. I mean, I'm sorry.
Oh.
That's badass. I'm sorry. That's just discreet enough. Yeah, that's just discreet. That's not too much. That's not too much. C'est pas trop. Good. So oui, moi j'attends plutôt la fin mai. Tu vois quand les rosiers vont. It's weird. Les roses rather than rosiers. If it was the flowers, I'd probably say les roses vont fleurir. Okay. Good. Les rosiers vont fleurir. Okay. Good. Good. Yes. I feel quite emotional because you've been here several times during our time together. I feel quite emotional because you've been here several times during our time together.
Je me sens très émotionnelle. Je me sens très émotionnelle parce que tu as été ici plusieurs fois
During our time together.
pendant notre temps,
During our, yeah. No?
pendant notre temps ensemble.
Good. So emotional, if you are referring to the world of emotions, is émotionnel. So on an emotional level, au niveau émotionnel. If
Yeah.
you are describing the feeling of emotional, it's émotif. Émotif. What is it?
Émotif.
And the one that you also said, which is not wrong, is ému, which is moved. From
Yeah.
the verb, what's the infinitive that that's from? Émouv-
Émouvant.
émouvoir.
Émouvoir, of course.
Lovely.
Émou-
Lovely. Regarde, on arrive à voir le chantier. Regarde, on arrive à voir le chantier. Regarde, on arrive à voir le chantier.
Regarde, on arrive avant le chantier.
Regarde, on arrive à voir le chantier. Regarde, on arrive à voir le chantier.
Regarde, on arrive à voir le chantier.
Translation?
Look, I can see.
On arrive, on arrive, on arrive.
We
On,
can see. We can see the cherry tree. Chantier.
Building site. Good guess.
Right,
Because
that's
something
right.
red. Do you know what, Nina? Good dress, because it's a pink damn tree, and it was given. Yeah, cerisier is good. Yeah, on arrive à voir le chantier. On arrive à voir le chantier. Yeah, building site. What's the word for building site?
Chantier.
Lovely. On arrive à voir le chantier.
I just can't associate it with building site. It's a beautiful word.
You know what? Why don't you think that all the men sing in harmony? They're so happy to be building something beautiful that will outlive them and the decaying human form, and their souls are free and unfettered by this world in the universe. That's all right. That's fine. Yeah. Did you see the Bobo hipster apologize for the fact she couldn't drive? So basically, it's like, hey, I'm crossing a road. Just turn into me. Don't even look. Yeah, but she did put her hand up. Yeah. So what's the word for building site, Nina?
Chantier.
Lovely. On arrive à voir le chantier. Okay. What was the word for road works? Slightly different.
Les travaux.
Good. There used to be a really weird French women's magazine called Mode et Travaux, like fashions and work kind of thing. But yeah. Good. Excellent. One from you. It's weird. People are doing more. No, it's weird. I see people running more since the end of lockdown. It's like, surely if the gyms are open, you wouldn't need to. I think it's more people are making an effort because it's warm and because they have to see other people. Oh, this is the garden I want to show you. I can't stand the fake grass. The fake grass. This looks normal from a distance, but it's that plastic grass. I'm like, oh my God, why fake grass? Why? It just looks hideous. So Sophie, I don't know why, but I see people running more than before the lockdown. I don't know why, but I see people running more since the end of the lockdown.
Je sais pas pourquoi, mais je vois courir les gens plus fréquents maintenant qu'avant le confinement.
Lovely. Plus souvent, yeah, or avec plus de fréquence. Yeah, like run more frequently. Okay, depuis la fin du confinement. Okay, great. This crossroads is so wide. It doesn't seem. It doesn't seem necessary. This crossroads is so wide. My God, it's like a field of tarmac. This crossroads is so wide. It doesn't seem necessary.
Ce carrefour est si vide,
large.
Ce
carrefour est tellement large, it doesn't seem necessary.
Ça semble pas nécessaire.
Lovely. Yeah, on en a pas besoin. We don't need it. On en a pas besoin.
Okay.
Lovely. Okay. I feel like I'm in the middle of the field. I feel like I'm in the middle of a field.
J'ai l'impression que je suis au milieu du champ.
Good. clean up the nasal just a smidge on that first one. Well, the very first. What's the vowel on impression?
J'ai l'impression.
That's it, Nina. Well done. Well done. J'ai l'impression, rather, it went a little bit towards the, l'impression.
Yes.
Good. Okay. I really, you saw that I did a nasals video, I think, the other day, did you? Yeah. It really was inspired by John. Like, John used to do that all the time, like, je viens and all this business. But, like, and it was really weird because it's like, apart from that, his accent's fantastic. But, good. Oh my God, their private plate is like car 50. Good. So, a touch fake, but pretty nonetheless. Yeah. Good. Do you know the word for mold? Like a preset molded thing, whether it's like cakes or ponds or whatever it is. A moule.
Moule.
Yeah, you know. Good. Okay. Excellent. Good. So copy one from me.
Mm-hmm.
J'étais. Je l'ai mal pris. Je l'ai mal pris parce que hier la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu. Je l'ai mal pris parce que hier la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu. Think in French, Luke. Don't think in as teacher. Ouais, je l'ai mal pris parce que hier la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu. Ouais, je l'ai mal pris parce que hier la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu.
J'ai mal pris parce qu'hier, l'ami de ma mère ne m'a pas reconnu.
We're almost there, Nina. Bloody well done. C'est such a good exercise, this. Je l'ai mal pris parce que hier, la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu. Je l'ai mal pris parce que hier, la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu.
J'ai mal pris parce qu'hier, la mère de mon ami n'a pas reconnu.
Good. One more time. Je l'ai mal pris parce qu'hier, la mère de mon ami ne m'a pas reconnu.
J'ai mal pris parce qu'hier...
Je l'ai mal pris.
Je l'ai... Ah oui, je l'ai mal pris.
Can we add to our list of things Nina knows how to do very, very quickly, would include the tongue action for a pronoun le at speed, yeah?
Yeah.
So, j'ai mal pris, say j'ai mal pris.
J'ai mal pris.
Je l'ai mal pris.
Je l'ai mal pris.
That's it. Good. So, je l'ai mal pris. Je l'ai mal pris.
Je l'ai mal pris.
Translation, so je l'ai mal pris. Oh no, there's a cat loss. Je l'ai mal pris. Je l'ai mal pris. He was delicious. I don't regret eating him. I'm sorry. Je l'ai mal pris. Gas mark for rosemary and garlic. Je l'ai mal pris. Je l'ai mal pris. So what does je l'ai mal pris mean?
I took it badly.
Lovely. Parce que hier, la mère de mon ami.
Because yesterday, the mother of my friend.
Good. Or my friend's mother. Yeah.
Mother,
ne m'a pas reconnu.
didn't recognize me.
Okay. Lovely. Good. C'était ce putain de virus. C'était la faute de ce putain de virus. C'était la faute de ce putain de virus.
C'est de la faute de la putain de virus.
Smooth. Listen in the linear way that you speak. C'était la faute de ce putain de virus. C'était la faute de ce putain de virus.
C'était la faute de la putain de virus.
C'était la faute de ce putain de virus.
C'était de la faute de ce putain de
Now, that is something that some people say. However, I don't think it's... C'était de ma faute, c'était ma faute. It's formally better to say c'est ma faute rather than c'est de ma faute, but some people say c'est de ma faute. And because it feels different from the English, all of my advanced law have got this thing going on, which is like, what is with this area? Like, why the hell are the roads so wide? Like, what was the deal? Like, that's just literally like a 2-lane thing. Look, that's a car. Like, that is a car. Okay? Like, so we really needed that. And then maybe a bit of a space, and then another one. Yeah. Why is the road so massive? I don't get it. And then we've got this big triangle of tarmac in the middle. I mean, God, you know, how lovely. But it's at the same time, it's like, what are you going to stick a village green in the middle? I mean, was there at one point? It'd be really interesting to know. Was there like a little green roundabout here or something? It's just massive. I need to check that Lovely. So the fact is, anything that feels a bit different than the French, you guys go, oh yeah, do you know, than the English, you guys go, that's probably the better version, and I'm probably being a bit franglais if I. But on this occasion, c'était ma faute. Yeah, you know. So c'était la faute de ce putain de virus means.
It was my fault.
C'était la faute de ce putain de virus.
Ah oui, okay. It was the fault of this fucking virus.
Lovely, okay. Il y a 4 ans, elle a été diagnostiquée. C'est une forme de démence. Il y a 4 ans, elle a été diagnostiquée. C'est une forme de démence.
Il y a 4 mois.
Il y a 4 ans, elle a été diagnostiquée.
Il y a 4 mois.
Il y a 4 ans.
À 4 ans. Il y a 4 ans, c'était diagnostiqué.
Elle a été diagnostiquée. Elle a été
diagnostiquée. Elle a été diagnostiquée.
Don't try and translate as you go. Just give me the sounds. C'est une forme de démence. Don't even worry about what it means. C'est une forme de démence.
C'est une forme de démence.
Lovely, Nina. And there, the vowels were great. The vowels were great.
Okay.
I almost like this as an exercise in you hearing the vowels over the consonants.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Lovely. Good. So translate for me. I know it's really tiring, this listening at speed, but this is like a pre-Besançon workout. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Good. Day 1, you'll all be like, oh, we're so excited to be together. Day 2, you'll be like, yeah, mentally. And then day 3, you'll be like, well, you just work through it, don't you? Lovely. So say for me, elle a été diagnostiquée. So what's il y a 4 ans?
4 years ago.
Elle a été diagnostiquée.
She was diagnosed.
C'est une forme de démence.
With a form of dementia.
Spot on, okay? C'est dommage parce qu'avant, c'était une femme impeccable. C'est dommage parce qu'avant, c'était une femme impeccable.
C'est dommage parce qu'avant, c'était une femme impeccable.
C'est dommage parce qu'avant, c'était une femme impeccable.
Impeccable. C'est dommage parce qu'avant, c'était une femme impeccable.
Enjoy the Scooby-Doo up and down.
Okay.
With your mouth closed in your listening, as well as your... So all the work we're doing in your closed mouth speaking, listening to the vowels, is to facilitate listening to this kind of stuff. Yeah? Yeah. So when there's assholes that just basically zoom a car right up to there you go, haha, T-junction, and where did that get you? Lovely. So say for me, God, I hate bad drivers. So say for me, c'est dommage parce que c'était une femme impeccable. C'est dommage parce que c'était une femme impeccable.
C'est dommage parce que avant c'était une femme impeccable.
Impeccable.
Impeccable. Okay.
Lovely. Good. So c'est dommage. Translation.
It's too bad.
Yeah. Well, that sounds a bit casual, but like it's a shame. It's a
shame. Okay.
Yeah. Parce que.
Because.
C'était une femme.
She was a woman.
Impeccable.
Impeccable.
Yeah, like a little bit of perfume, little bit of lipstick, nails always beautifully done, presented beautifully. You know, now she doesn't know people now. But she maintained a knowledge of who I was, and I was incredibly fond of that. And that's now gone because of 5 months absence. I'm well gutted.
Oh yeah.
Good. Never mind. Carry on. We're going to cross the road in a minute, and I need to resist the temptation to buy junk food. What? Are we in the middle of California? Like, what's going on with the soil? Like, oh my God. Yeah. So say for me, we're going to cross the road in a minute, and I need to resist the temptation to buy junk food.
On va traverser la rue dans un moment et je dois résister la tentation d'acheter de la merde.
Yeah, or de la malbouffe.
De la malbouffe.
Yeah, okay, rather than mauvaise, which would be like the food quality of it, okay?
Oh, okay.
Lovely. Nina, do we know the verb percuter? For when, yeah, I'm guessing that happened there.
Oh, yes.
I'm not going to show you for fear that somebody who supports me does something daft. But the GP, the doctor that gave me that thing that made me really, really ill, that's just up there by where that blue sign is. Yeah, so that's where the guy is that did that, and I live over there. So
Oh,
that's a bit interesting every day when you get up and you have to think the person who literally ruined me. And coming down the street is not the one that did it. It's my GP of before, Miriam. But I'm really going to avoid a conversation.
oh.
Yeah. So say for me. Next, so no, I'm not going. I'm not going to say anything because somebody could follow it and find it. Good. I'm going to turn the camera around. Good. Lovely. But I should really turn it on. But no. But you're doing very, very well in the listening. Okay. Good. I think it's useful for you guys to speak and walk and look at stuff. I think it's useful for you guys to speak and walk and look at stuff because that's what we'll be doing in France. I think it's useful for you guys to speak and walk and look at stuff because that's what we'll be doing in France.
Je pense que c'est utile pour vous tous de marcher et parler et regarder des choses parce que ça sera ce qu'on va faire à Besançon, en France.
Je pense que c'est utile pour vous de pouvoir marcher, de regarder des choses, parce que c'est ce que vous allez faire à Besançon, en France. Lovely. Good. Because I always say to Gabby, 100%, not 97%. But when you're looking at stuff, there's an element of distraction. So I always say to Gabby, 100%, not 97%. But when you're looking at stuff, there's an element of distraction.
Je dis toujours à Gabi que 100%, pas 97%, mais quand on marche,
Quand what? Go again, but when you're walking, quand on marche. But give me a bit more nasality. Did you say quand on marche?
I say quand on marche, mais quand
I just missed the nasality on the on, but that's
okay.
fine. Yeah.
Mais quand on marche et regarder des choses, il y a un peu de distraction.
Lovely, nice vowels. Do you know what a canton is? A canton is a noun, a canton. Any idea? A Swiss, like, area, like the various cantons Suisses, like the various administrative divisions of Switzerland. Yeah. Yeah, not just French speaking Switzerland, like the whole area, like which canton. Good, like county kind of thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. And have we spoken about the Swiss? Well, other places do it as well, but have we spoken about the numbers in Switzerland? Have we spoken about that, you and I?
I don't think so.
So you know that in France we have 50, 60, 70, 80. Switzerland has a far more logical system. It goes 50, 60, and then you've got like 70, 70. And they don't say 90, they say 90. So 99 would be like 99. So basically like a completely normal decimalized system. Yeah. In other words, that's why you need to trust the French. That's why you need to trust the Swiss banker more than a French banker. So say that for me. That's why you need to trust the Swiss banker more than a French banker.
C'est pour ça que tu dois faire confiance à une banqueur de Suisse.
C'est pour ça qu'il faut faire confiance à un banquier suisse plutôt qu'à un banquier français. C'est pour ça qu'il faut faire confiance à un banquier suisse. C'est pour ça qu'il faut faire confiance à un banquier suisse.
C'est pour ça qu'on fait confiance à un banque en Suisse.
No, so the word for a bank is a banque, and the word for a banker is a banquier. C'est pour ça qu'on fait confiance à un banquier suisse. Yeah, c'est pour ça qu'on fait confiance à un banquier suisse. Instead of?
Au lieu de?
Au lieu de, or plutôt que de. Yeah,
plutôt
good.
Lovely,
good, lovely, good. Okay, excellent. It's really rare. for me to sit down, but it lets you see the world. It's really rare for me to sit down, but I'm scared I'll never get up again. It's really rare for me to sit down, but it lets you see the world.
C'est plutôt rare pour moi.
Pause. Rare.
C'est plutôt rare.
But what do we have as well? Plutôt, I'm liking, Nina, I'm liking that very much. But what's another thing we can use with rare? Rarissime. So if you think of like the issimos that we get in sort of like, you know, Italian or all of that, we've borrowed those in French. So it's really rare. C'est rarissime. Yeah, c'est fine. C'est hyper rare, c'est archi rare, c'est méga rare. You know, c'est trop rare, whatever. Mais c'est rarissime. Lovely that for me to sit down.
C'est rarissime pour m'asseoir, mais
c'est rarissime pour moi de m'asseoir.
Pour moi de m'asseoir. Okay.
Good. So in other words, c'est rarissime is what kind of a sentence?
Ah oui, okay.
Oh no, that wasn't rhetorical. What kind of sentence is it?
Well, it's going to be subjunctive, but neutral. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, neutral. Right. So in other words, but we're not saying c'est rarissime que je me subjunctive.
Right.
C'est rarissime de m'asseoir, you know, or pour moi de m'asseoir, because we're doing the same. But yeah, you know, c'est rarissime pour moi de m'asseoir. Okay. Good. Lovely. I've got some beef left. Sorry, vegans, respect you, but I do well on animal. I've got some beef left, and I need to cook it.
Il me reste de bœuf et j'ai besoin
du bœuf.
Du bœuf.
It's just because it was too similar to bouffe, which is food, and bœuf, which is beef. So I've got some beef left.
Ok, bœuf. Il me reste du bœuf et j'ai besoin de le cuisiner.
Or faire cuire. Do you know the subtle difference between faire cuire and cuisiner? Cuisiner is the act of preparing food. Faire cuire means to make that thing be cooked.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Faire cuire. Okay. I'm going to use tomato puree and garlic. I'm going to use tomato puree and garlic.
Je vais utiliser des tomates.
Tomato puree. Have a guess, Nina, which language the word puree comes from?
French.
So, although there are occasionally like surprising things. So, for example, dandelion comes from dent de lion, like teeth of the lion. Only we don't say dent de lion anymore in French for dandelion. We say pissenlit, piss the bed, because it's a diuretic. Yeah. So sometimes we'll use a more French version than France because of the age of which we had Norman invasion, all this kind of stuff. So puree. In fact, puree is another word that we can use instead of punaise to avoid saying putain. So, for example, if you were saying and you wanted to say fiddlesticks, frick, whatever. Another one of those words, as well as putain, would be, as well as, hey Luke, just say the main thing, as well as punaise would be puree, puree, but less common. So puree de tomate and with garlic,
L'ail.
Okay. So it's puree de, because it's made from tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, puree de tomate.
Yes.
And but it's à l'ail because I'm going to cook with garlic.
Okay.
Brilliant. Yeah, so in other words, when you go over this, mouth reasonably closed, finger here, like a colibri, like a hummingbird. Oui, alors effectivement, you know, like just to get that. Yeah, it's nothing. I'm not saying that you can't do the oui, je vais. I like that. I honestly prefer that. But just to get our listening to the point that we like the quick listening as well. Sometimes I don't care what anybody says. Faster speaking, for my mind, has always gotten people to faster listening.
Okay.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, it really, really just has. Because it's like this. There's just like a penny drop in your brain that you just sort of go, like, I know what je vais le faire sounds like when I smush it up to like je vais le faire, and so that consequently, that when someone else says "zh" in some smushed up way, smashed up, your brain just sort of goes, oh yeah, I know what that is. I don't know. It just always seems to work for me.
Yeah.
When teaching. Good, bloody well done, Nina. Bloody well done. People, if you've enjoyed the video, and again, thank you for the lovely kind comments. And can we thank Nina for her public appearance? Guys, if you like it, there is a link to the coffee underneath. I very much appreciate a coffee. And you know what? I might have to buy Nina a bit of champagne with some of this coffee when we spend some time together in the future. So I will speak to you guys soon. Thank you very, very much. Well done, Nina. Bloody good job.
Thank you.